our stainless steel table with overdeck shelf. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 24 inches, a depth 30 inches, and a height of 66 3/8. And the height for the table only, we have 34 1/4 inches tall. Height for the overdeck shelf, 32 inches. Coming to the top is the overdeck shelf, and the depth for the overdeck shelf will include 12 inches. 12 inches applies for the top and bottom shelf. The distance between the top to bottom shelf is 20.5 inches, and the distance between the bottom shelf to the table, we have 9.5 inches. Coming to the bottom will be additional storage space, and the length of the shelf, we have 16 1/4 inches by 23 1/4. And located on the left and right brackets of the overdeck shelf are 2 slots. Each slot is to insert your bolts or screws to mount onto the table for this overdeck shelf. The table and the overdeck shelf are both NSF approved. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.